Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your car's fob key battery. So what you need, a flathead small screwdriver, okay, depending upon your key, and the battery. So for this battery you can read your owner manual that will tell you what exactly it is. The very first thing, detach the physical key, okay, like just I am doing from one hand, so just bear with me, just move it slightly right and pull it out, okay. So step number one is done, fine. Step number two is gonna detach. If you observe this carefully, you see there are edges, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this flat head, I'm gonna put at this side and I'm gonna move all the way around. You can see I have inserted and now I'm just moving all the way around. Do that, be very gentle, do not use too much of force, so it will open like this, okay. Now see in which orientation the battery is, okay. So first open it. This is the new battery I have opened. Now we are going to take this out. So you can use the simple, but don't break anything, okay. Just go side and pull it upwards very gently and it will come out. Now the battery has been pulled out. So again in the same orientation where it was, put it back slightly, just it should fit, and then just put them and slightly push at all the corners. The noise when it joins, okay. Now the key is joined and now it's ready. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.